Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the conditional statements in Python. So conditional statements are used to execute based on the condition. So remember, conditional statements are used to execute based on the conditions. So basically there are three types of conditional statements are there in Python. First one is called as if statement. Second one is called as if else statement, and the third one is if else statement. Let us see one by one. What is the meaning of if statement? Remember, when the condition is true, it is going to execute some part of the program. Now you can see the syntax of if statement. If keyword is if, you write the condition colon, so you must write the colon at the end of the condition. Then you may have some code to execute if the condition is true. So this is all about the if statement. Second one is what we have, if else statement. So when there is a if else statement, here what is going to be happen? If the condition, yes, if the condition is true, execute the condition is true. If the condition is false, execute if the condition is false. So when the condition is true, these statements will be executed. When the condition is false, these statements are executed. Now you can see the third one what we have on the screen, if if else statement. So there are n number of conditions are there in this case. So this is called as what we say if if statement. If condition true, condition 1 is true, condition 1 will be executed. If the condition 2 is only true, means condition 1 is false, condition 2 is true, then this code will be executed. Else, else means condition 1 is false, condition 2 is false, and else. So it executes all other conditions, all are false. So remember, there are three conditional statements. Now let us see the flow chart for if statement and if else statement. Now you can see what is the purpose of this flow chart. It will give the graphical representation of the concept. Now you can see if statement is there. So there are two things. First one is called as condition. Condition might be true, condition might be false. When the condition is true, code to execute if the condition is true. Condition is false, next line of the code. Remember, if statement does not have else. So it indicates that when the condition is true, these statements will be executed. When the condition is false, nothing will be executed, but it goes to the next line to execute. So similarly, when you see the if else, so when you see the if else, the condition is there. If the condition is true, true statements will be executed. If the condition is false, code to execute if the condition is false. So remember, if statement does not have else statement, but if you see if else, there is something called as else. So this is all about the if statement and if else statement. Now we'll see the flowchart representation for if if statement. Now you can see here there are three conditions are there. So condition 1, condition 2. So when the condition is true, true statements will be executed. When the condition is false, it is going to check the second condition. If it is true, again true statements will be executed. Again if it is false, it is go for another. So this is called as what we say if if else statement. In this, the number of conditions are more. So this is all about the flow chart of control this conditional statements. Now we'll see one example for this conditional statements. So here the first example for if statement, you can see here if statement executes. So it executes a block of code if the condition is true. You can see age is equal to 18. I have given age is equal to 18. Age greater than is equal to 18 colon. Remember, always if must be included with a colon. So print eligible for vote. So what is the output of this program? I have given age is equal to 18. 18 greater than or equal to 18. Yes, condition is true. Eligible for vote, it prints. So but when the condition is true, it will be printed. When the condition is false, nothing will be printed. But if you see if else statement, it executes one block. You can see here it executes one block if the condition is true and another block if it's false. So when condition is true, it is going to execute one block. If the condition is false, it is going to execute another block. Now you can see age is equal to 18. I have given age is equal to 18. If age greater than or equal to 18 colon, print you are eligible for vote, else you are not eligible for vote. So age is equal to 16. 16 greater than 18 condition is false. When the condition is false, compiler goes to else statement. It says you are not eligible for vote. So this is all about the if else statement. And now let us see about the if else statement. If else statement. So you can see it is used to decision making, allow a program to execute different blocks of code based on the conditions. Now you can see here I have given x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. If x is greater than 20 colon, so print x greater than 20, else x greater than 5, print else. Now you can see here the value of 10. 10 is greater than 20. Yes, 10 is greater than 20. The condition is false. When the condition is false, compiler goes to next condition. Yes, 10 is greater than 5. 10 is greater than 5 is condition true. It is going to print this value. This is all about the if else statement. So let us see one more program for if else statement. Now you can see this program is used for the find the biggest of three numbers. A is equal to int input, enter first number. B is equal to int input, enter second number. C is equal to int input, enter third number. From these three values, we are going to take A value, B value and C value. You are going to check A is greater than B, A is greater than C. When the condition is A is greater than B, A is greater than C, the largest number is A. So A means A greater than B, A greater than C. So A means here the value of A is bigger. Okay, because A is greater than B and A is greater than C. So when the AND is there, you must check this must be true, this must be true. L if B greater than A, B greater than C. So it indicates that B is going to have the largest number. The largest number is B. Then it is going to print the value of B here. Next, else. So if A is not big, B is big, B is not big, then we are going to say this is called as the largest number of C. So out of A, B, C, C is the big. So this is all about the what we call conditional statements in Python. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.